Tired of waking up with painful leg cramps or dealing with muscle stiffness? The right foods can help relax muscles, improve circulation, and prevent cramps. In today's video, we're revealing the top 3 superfoods that help seniors stay cramp-free and improve mobility. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a nutrient powerhouse that supports muscle health. They're packed with high-quality protein, vitamin D, and B12, all essential for preventing cramps. Protein rebuilds muscle fibers, reducing fatigue, while vitamin D helps with calcium absorption, improving muscle function. B12 supports nerve health, preventing neuropathy-related cramps. How many eggs should seniors eat? Research shows 6 to 7 eggs a week is safe for most people, but those with heart conditions should consult a doctor. 2. Bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate muscle contractions. A medium banana provides 420 milligrams of potassium, which can prevent cramps and spasms by maintaining smooth nerve communication. Bananas also contain magnesium, which supports muscle relaxation. Eating 1 to 2 bananas daily can help reduce muscle cramps, especially if paired with adequate water intake. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds are excellent sources of magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, key nutrients for muscle relaxation and cramp prevention. A small handful daily can help restore magnesium and potassium levels, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and comment below with your thoughts or questions.